Other crypto channels are simply pumping and dumping on you. They promote random crap coins, asking you to buy the token, and in the end you get wrecked. This channel is very, very different, and it shows in the last video of Ampera. Because have a look at this. This was my first video on Ampera, published 78 days ago. The gray line is the typical performance of a video. The blue line is that video on Ampera. At the time, the price was at 1.4 cents. So that was over here. Since then, we went down by more than 50%. So let me show you the conclusion of that video. We came to that conclusion with on-chain data. And in this video, we're going to look again at on-chain data. So here's the last few seconds of the first AMP token analysis. I've never seen a manipulation like this, but I'm pretty sure it is manipulation. I don't think this is natural. Otherwise, we'd see way more buyers on-chain. So here's what happened. We saw a massive rally in Ampera. When we looked at those charts that, by the way, are now updated, we couldn't really see any whales buying or any retail investors buying. Let's have a look at the last month. So this is the same charts. It shows the number of retail investors on the left, the number of medium-sized retail in the middle, the number of whales on the right. And this is based on number of tokens. So it's 100,000 tokens on the left. So at the current price, that's roughly $700. 1 million tokens in the middle, so $7,000. And 10 million tokens on the right, so $70,000. Isn't that interesting? Small retail continues to sell, medium-sized retail as well, but there is a bit of growth, roughly 5% in the number of whales in that last month. And the price in the last month went pretty much flat. This is the exact opposite what we have seen prior in that pump. In the pump, we didn't see any accumulation whatsoever. We only saw the whales selling. Now we see the whales accumulating while the price is flat. This could potentially be a sign that maybe AMP is up for another rally. Because this is how I fundamentally see this. I think that the people that have most money tend to also be the most successful traders in crypto. Of course, there's a luck component, but when you play the game for long enough, the capital tends to accumulate towards the people that have more skill. So the whales on average tend to make the better calls when they are buying while the price is just flat. I believe that is a potential positive sign. And I'm not a shiller. This is not a channel promoting you garbage coins. I was critical of Ampera at this point. And you guys appreciated this. You guys still subscribed. 265 subscribers for a single video. Pretty good. Now here's one potential reason why the whales are buying. You always want to buy when attention is low and you want to sell when attention is high. You want to buy low, you want to sell high, and there is a correlation between attention and price. Now I like to look at relative valuation charts because there is a lot of correlation across crypto, right? When Bitcoin goes up and Ethereum goes up, then a lot of altcoins go up as well and vice versa. What we want is outperformance versus Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's why we take on more risk, right? We want to get more return, so we need to outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. And so let's have a look at AMP relative to Ethereum. So we don't look at the AMP US dollar price, we look at the relative performance to Ethereum. That's this chart over here. And it shows us a very solid long-term underperformance up until October of last year. Since then, Ampera tends to slightly outperform, and we are relatively low on that outperformance. Now, what happened here in October of last year? The stablecoin market cap tended to expand again. So this is how crypto works. Whenever you send your fiat currency to, say, Binance, then Binance sends this over to, for example, Tether. Tether then prints new tokens on chain USDT, and that's what we can see over here. We see the sum of all of those stable coins in this nice chart, and it doesn't fluctuate too much, right? It's either going down or going up. There is a bit of a sideways movement here, but still since October of last year, this is going up. And that might be the reason why since October of last year, Ampera also outperforms Ethereum again. There is inherent leverage in altcoins. And so here's the thing with YouTube. Unfortunately, YouTube does not expose a video like this when not many people are searching for it. And right now, Ampera isn't doing too well. So probably the video will initially not perform that well. But once Ampera outperforms again, because the whales are buying, once Ampera does another push to the upside, then this video will get exposed again. And so there is a very good chance that you are watching this video while the price is not anymore at 0.7 cents. minutes. You're likely going to be late again to the party, so if you want to be early next time, again, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. If you want to get access to this tool, feel free to check out Premium. The link is down below, thebitcoinstrategy.com. You can plug in any Ethereum-based token into this tool. You can also plug in BNB tokens or Base tokens or Polygon tokens. The major chains are supported, and the data we can get out of this is super, super valuable. If you've got Telegram, feel free to join us. Link is down below. It's 100% free. Looking forward to chatting with you.